Recording the previous chapter of the Penguin-loft, I've actually noticed a problem because I put on our first texture, which was a gradient, and you can already tell that this line on the side of the penguin is actually the first point of each circle, which is a problem because I actually want to have the seam at the back. Now, there is a quick fix, and I'm going to show you. You go to F3, and you just push the H button to focus it on the complete model, switch off the loft, and I just have these lines here. Now, I'm going to go into point mode, and I'm going to select by just clicking the first one, do a shift click on the last one. I select all these circles. I just clicked to deselect all the points, and then I'm just going to pick up these points. I can actually switch this one on so that I don't get the wrong points. Only select visible elements. I've told you, and maybe I'll pick up some straight points on the back, but I'm just selecting the points way at the back edge of each circle. So I got two of them now, and I'm just holding down the shift key and selecting these, and one swift stroke, and do these. And here I have to zoom in a little bit because otherwise I can't really do it properly because the points are way closer together. Be careful here, like there, like there. Now the only one I can't reach is because the circle has a scale of 0 is the front end, but that's all right. It's not a big deal. Okay, so once I've done that, I made my selection. I go to Mesh, Spline, and go to Set First Point. Now you already see that the blue is flicking to the back, and let's see what we've done. Let's flick this on, go to F1, and here we have it. So now the seam where the surface, the sides of the surface come together is at the back, which is fine by me. All right, now let's fix this texture. We'll go into gradient. Let's move this aside because it updated straight away. This should be at the back. This should be the front. Let's add a little bit of black and a little bit of white by just clicking underneath the gradient bar and just move this along. And this goes exactly in the middle, these two. Something like that. Maybe move this in a little bit. And obviously you have to roll around your penguin to see if it works. And it works like a charm. The only thing I don't like is the belly is of course now extended all the way to the lower part of the beak. So I'm going to do something about that in the next chapter.